Hey friends, it's Deb with Home Cooking is for the Birds. Let's make this yummy, yummy breakfast quesadilla. We're going to start off with 2 pats of butter. Make sure your stovetop eye is down to low. And then we're going to crack open 2 eggs, add a dash of salt and lots of pepper. Well, that's what I like, but you do you. Mix that up and then over to your stovetop. Once your butter has melted, we're just going to make sure it coats the pan, and I even like to make sure it's up around the sides a little bit. And then we're just going to pour that egg right into our skillet. We're going to let that cook on low for maybe 1 minute. Top your egg with a slice of cheese, a couple of handfuls of spinach. You could even add bell peppers or onions to this. Again, you just do you because this is your creation and this is mine. So once I've got it in the skillet, I'm going to add my low-carb tortilla right on top. And I started to do the flip, but I was so scared I would toss it and it would go flying. So I just used my spatula, and yes, a little egg went flying, but that's okay. That's okay. And then we're going to top that with some tomatoes. At this point, you could fold this in your plate, but I just went ahead and did it right in that skillet. I did bump the heat up to about a medium. I wanted my tortilla a little more brown, and y'all, that tortilla gets so crispy. This only took me maybe 10 minutes to make. You could serve this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. And voila, about 10 minutes later, my breakfast is ready to eat. This is a low-carb, high-protein breakfast, and I could eat one of these every day. It's so good, y'all.